Hello, my name is Nico. I've been working on this new video series, just having conversations with people, exposing them to Judaism, exposing them to me, just getting them to talk about the Middle East, questions that we might have. And I've been putting it off for a while, collecting footage and such. But this conversation I just had yesterday was just so exciting and just really helps us understand that the Middle East is so much more complicated than Jews and Arabs, Islam, Judaism, Christianity. It's bigger than that. And just check this out. Something that is true about the Jewish experience in the Middle East is that in 1948, we took whatever borders the international community would give us. But I would hope that something similar would happen for Kurdistan.
Until this day now, me and you, we are talking, Kurdish people, we still control our land. Hello.
Hello, peace and love.
How are you?
Thanks God. How are you, brother?
I'm good, thank you. Are you Jewish, brother?
I am Jewish. Are you?
We love you. I love you, brother.
Well, yeah, where are you from, brother?
Me, I am from Kurdistan.
The Kurdish people. What lovely people you are.
Yes, thank you.
And hopefully soon you will have a country for your own people. Inshallah.
Brother, I hope so. Why not?
You deserve it for God's sake. You've been such a great help to the United States.
Brother, we have been.
You've been such a great ally, a good people to the Jewish people. I pray that you are blessed with a homeland, that you have your own country, and yes, that your culture flourishes.
Exactly like the Israeli people and
Yes.
like 22 Arabs country, brother.
Yes,
So
that's
it
right.
doesn't
There
make
should
any
be a
sense.
Kurdish country. Absolutely.
Yes.
Inshallah.
Harbiji Kurdu Kurdistan, Harbiji Israel.
Amen. Brother.
Amen.
Only together we will make it up, and I know. Thanks God.
Brother, I would love to see the big map of Great Israel and Greater Kurdistan, brother.
Oh, I think I'm happy with Israel like it is. We don't need to be so big, but I pray
Yeah.
for Kurdistan.
Because if it's bigger, that's they're gonna make problem.
Exactly. We don't need big. We just need our own little place. Like the
Yeah.
Kurdish people, you need your place. And yes, it will
But
happen.
are you Italian, brother, or are you from Israel?
I'm actually American and I live in Italy.
Americani.
Eh, yeah.
That's nice, brother. That's nice.
So how long have you lived in the UK?
Me, I have lived in the UK for 5 years now,
5 years.
and before that, I was born in Denmark.
In Denmark. And your parents came from where?
From Kurdistan in the Iranian part.
In the Iranian part. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, there's
So
a chance.
now it's war between Iran and now the big problem now.
Yeah, exactly. I hope.
And there is one problem everywhere. No matter where there is war, Kurdish people are involved. I don't know why.
Yeah?
Yeah.
But maybe in the Middle East, because I mean, the
No,
Kurdish.
listen to me.
Yeah.
When you have war in Iraq, Kurdish people are involved. When you have people in Iran, Kurdish people are involved. In Syria, in Turkey, Kurdish people are involved. There must be a
because
reason for that.
Kurdistan, or the area where the Kurdish people, it goes across all four of those countries.
That's the problem.
And
So
so,
we don't want to be involved. We just want our place where the
Yeah.
Kurdish people lives. That's the Kurdistan.
and it doesn't need to take a piece from everywhere. If we can just at least get one piece, something.
Yes.
You know?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
And,
I think personally, I think the best candidate is northern Iraq. That's my because already you have power there.
No, but that's not the only part, brother. We
I
need
know,
the
I know.
rest. We need the rest of it. Like the Jewish are promised. We are promised our land, brother.
But like us too, in
Brother,
1940.
I want to become a Jewish. How can I do that?
Well, it can happen. It's not impossible, but it
I wanna. This is to what is are you reading? This is you reading the Torah now?
right now I'm studying this book called Chok Israel, and it has it like has each day it has a piece of the Torah, a piece of the writings and the prophets, the Mishnah, the Halakha. It has a little bit of everything for your
Brother,
daily
what do
practice.
you think about the religion of Islam?
There are some things I like. There are some things I have problems with. One thing I have great respect for Islam is that it brought this idea of La ilaha illallah to all of Bani Adam. And
Yes.
this I respect. I really wish there was more concentration on, how do you say, din lakuma waliya din?
Eh,
We need more concentration on letting the other people have their own religion, right? That's
yes.
my opinion. So, but no, I have a
To
lot of
be
respect.
honest with you- Yes, I do understand you. Me, I was Muslim before. Now I am not Muslim. I am not Muslim anymore. Okay. Before me, we Kurdish people before 1,400 years or 500 years before that, we were not Muslim.
Sure. And I think a lot of people they forget that one of the greatest historical Muslim heroes of the Crusades, Salahuddin,
Yeah, Salah ad-Din, he was Muslim.
he was Muslim, but he was also Kurdish.
Yes, but that's because let me tell you one thing. The
Tell me.
Arab history, they don't have a man that can come and when they say free Palestine, they free Palestine. So we have to come and do it for them.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
we Kurdish people, for every day we are getting smarter. You know,
I know.
we open our eyes and we see this is a fucking lie before because I think this book Quran is not healthy and is not from God.
I see that in Al Quran. When I see it, I see pieces of Talmud. I see pieces of Christian prayers. I see pieces that are taken from many places, and we're going to call this Al Quran. And yeah, it's honestly, I agree. I think that there's some there are problems, but at the same
The
time,
problem is, brother, the problem is if I was Muslim and I was religion, me and you, we could not sit
I
and hear and
know,
speak.
I know. It's sad. For me, it's very sad because there are so many
That's the
things that
problem.
are similar.
They are brainwashed. You cannot not have a conversation with them. It's okay, me and you, we don't have to agree on nothing.
Of course.
But we still have respect and the way but they Muslim say, oh no, fuck Israel, fuck the
Yeah, I
Jewish,
know.
fuck that.
I tell you one thing from again I'm American. I've never had a problem with my homeland or anything, but one thing that is true about the Jewish experience in the Middle East is that in 1948 we took whatever borders the international community would give us. We
Yes.
said yes, thank you, and we tried to make a country. And then only because of the wars the borders had to expand. But I would hope that something similar would happen for Kurdistan, that they get the international community to agree to something, anything, and now take it.
And brother, we listen to me. Until this day to this one, you have to listen very carefully and understand it. Until this day now, me and you, we are talking, Kurdish people, we still control our land.
It's true. It's true.
We do that.
I know.
We don't care who it is, or it is America or Israel or nobody. We fight for the places where we live.
Yeah.
That's something else, okay? But we need a recognition from
Exactly.
Israel, from America,
Yeah.
from Europe, from every country in the world.
You know, Israel just recognized what it is, Somaliland. We need to recognize Kurdistan too.
Somaliland, exactly.
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
When you're pushing for something, if you want, listen. If America and Israel want to do that, they can do it, but they are not doing it.
Yeah, not yet. Yeah.
Not yet. Why not yet?
We know there's pressure.
Pressure, very big pressure.
All right. Wow.
No, bro, no problem, brother. My
No.
God bless you. Everybody
Amen.
bless. Israel bless the Jewish.
Bless us
Everybody.
all, and may our Maker carry us to peace and prosperity in the end.
And God bless the IDF for doing a great job.
Amen.
And God bless the Peshmergas and the Sharvanos and Rojava. They fight a lot
Yes,
of
yes, and let God bless them
jihadists.
with victory to bring liberation to the Iranian people, so that they can have a free country of their own as well.
Yes, Iran. I wish them free country, but we need Kurdistan for
course.
ourselves.
I agree. I agree.
Harbiji Kurdistan, Harbiji Israel.
Long live us all. Peace and happiness to us all.
Long live. Bye bye.
God bless you. Take care.